So from the DGCL website, we go straight to Student Portal. Please click on Student Portal. Right, click on Login, then input your registered email address. Copy the password that was sent to you. You click on Sign In. So you get a prompt to change the password. So input the password you copied from the platform, from your email. Then change it to your own password, any password you can remember. And click on Change Password. First of all, we're starting with how to join the classes. So where you can see today's classes on the dashboard, yeah? So it's showing no classes. That's because the classes are on Wednesdays. So once it's Wednesday, 7 p.m. UK time or 8 p.m. Nigerian time, when you have no classes, it will show Join Now. So you click on that to join the class directly. But you have to ensure that you have Zoom downloaded on your system. So it's either you join the class from the dashboard or you go to your calendar by the far left. Please click on Calendar. Just click on any of the classes. So here you can see the topic we'll be handling on that day, right? And then the time. So once it's 8 p.m. Nigerian time, when you have class ended, it will show Join Now. So you can click on that to join the class. Let's go to Dashboard. Please click on Dashboard. We're starting with the Homework module. Please click on Homework. So the homework, you start with Basic IT Knowledge. Under Contents, Cohort 1, you start with Basic IT Knowledge. Right? Click on it, and then on the right side, you click on Attempt Now. So the homework is from section 1 all the way to section 6. Please scroll down to section 6. So the homework is from section 1 to section 6. Then after that, there's also the cybersecurity homework. So the homework, how you do it is that you don't copy and paste from this platform. You have to type out the questions. You do a Google search, type out the questions on either MS Word, PDF. If you look to your right, you will see the allowed file types. So have JPEG, PNG, zip, and all that, right? So you do the homework on your system and save them. So once you're done, there are also links on the homework that will guide your research. If you scroll up a bit, most of the questions up there, they have their links attached to them. So these links are meant to guide you to do your research better. But then the important thing is that the homework, we don't want it to be too lengthy, just something straight to the point and short that you can always remember as well. So straight to the point and short. And once you're done with the homework, come to your right side, you click on Choose File to copy it from where you have saved it on your system, and then upload. So once you're done uploading, click on Submit for you to submit your homework. So the homework, you can choose to do everything at once, section 1 all the way to the cybersecurity bit. You can do at once and submit, or you can break it into bits, maybe section 1 to 2 this week, or section, whichever way that works for you. But the important thing is that you finish your homework within a month. It's important that you finish it within a month. So once you're done, you click on Choose File, upload your file, and then Submit. So once you submit, you will see your submissions. So right here, you can see your submissions, no records found. So when you begin to submit, it will show that you've submitted, and then that's how you find it. So where you have add comments, this is if you have any comments for whoever will be evaluating you, but most times it's not necessary. So you don't have to write anything there. So just leave it. So let's close this out and go back to the homework. Let me show you a sample of the homework one of our students did. So this is a guide. If you scroll all the way down, the sample homework is a PDF file there. Click on it. So this is a sample of what we would like you to do with the homework. So this student did everything from section 1, then we had section 1 to 5. He did everything at once and submitted. So you can see it's not too lengthy, but then it's not too short either. It's something you can always read and understand. Because these questions are the questions you would meet by the time you start going for interviews. So it's important that you understand what you're doing with the homework. So straight to the point that you can always remember. So this is just a guide. Like I said, you can't copy out from this platform. You can only type out on your Word document or your PDF and do the homework. So from here, let's go back to dashboard. So scroll up and go to dashboard. The next module is the DGCL Digital Cloud Academy. Please click on DGCL Digital Cloud Academy. So here, this is where we have the recordings for the Wednesday live classes. Please click on class records. The date range, please change it to this year. So here you can see all the classes from the first class we had this year, from Wednesday the 8th of January, all the way down to the last one we just had. So it's important that you sit back, watch all the recordings to catch up with the classes. And then also remember to join the classes. Take down notes and then bring your questions to the class if you have any questions. So remember, if you want to know the topic that we discussed, you go to your calendar, click on the topic, the dates for the class to find out what topic we'll be discussing on that day. So you can go to dashboard to leave here to the main dashboard. To join the classes, so it's either you join from the dashboard where you have today's classes, and then where it's showing no classes. Once it's time for the class, 8 p.m. Nigerian time, you will see join. So you click on join to join the class directly. Or you could come to calendar, click on calendar, then select the date of the class you want to attend. So the next class will be on the 19th. Let's click on the 19th. So on the 19th, we're going to be doing AWS Knowledge Sharing Meetup, Docker Containers, and ECS. So once it's 8 p.m. Nigerian time, where it shows not started, it would show join now. So you click on it to join the class directly. But you have to ensure that you have Zoom downloaded on your system so you can join the class directly. The next webinar is on the 27th of April. Please go to the next month. Let's see if it's loaded. You can also join the webinar from here, the 27th of April. That's the next webinar. And then you can also go to the DGCL Digital Cloud Academy platform to watch the recordings of the webinar as well. Digital Cloud Academy UK, that's for the Instagram. Then for Twitter is also Digital Cloud Academy.